Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will learn how to copy Instagram profile link and share your friends, family and publicly. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So first of all, open your Instagram. Same process you can do in your mobile screen also. So just I am simply open my Instagram in laptop screen. So this is my Instagram profile. So suppose for example I am posted here 255 posted, 394 followers are there, and you watching this video, so please follow me on Instagram page also. I am putting here a European traveling related post, images, and my YouTube Research Rocks related some videos, tips and tricks. Even you can follow me on Instagram page also. So this is my Instagram page. So simply I copy this link and then I open my Facebook page. Here this is my Facebook page and messengers applications are available in this particular page. So I am share this Instagram profile like here, copy, and he direct click on that particular link, so directly access or directly comes in my profile. It's very simple. You can same process do in your mobile screen also. You click here three lines, same process setting, and here options are available like in a follow and invite your friends. So I click here, so you can copy the WhatsApp link, SMS via email or rest of things. So I click here like WhatsApp, my WhatsApp application here, and simply I type just like in my friend. So this is Instagram link, and just I'm sending this link. He directly click on the particular link and he open my Instagram profile and directly he follow me. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.